Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another day for us to make money. Another new week. Last week we went 2 for 2 in the market on our gold and gbpusd analysis. We went 2 for 2. As you can see, GU literally sold from exactly where we predicted it from. G literally sold. G literally sold and gave us exactly hit our TP. Same thing for gold. Gold actually did sell. You understand? Gold actually did sell from this level. You can see we hit gold about almost like a 1,000 pips, almost 1,000 pips. We hit gold 9,000 pips. So I'm going to analyze again. Let's see. Let's make money this week. Let's see what the market has for us. Let's see what the market has for us. So I'm going to start with gold. I'll start with the daily time frame, of course. We are still, like I said, we are still the bullish markets on the higher time frame, the daily and the weekly. And as you can see, gold has probably not broken out of this area. It's just sitting around here for a while. It's just like this. This is the range gold has been trading in for since May. Yeah, since May, gold has been trading around this zone. So on the daily time frame. But let's go down to the 4 hours and the 1-on-1 time frame. Let's see what's happening. Let's see if we can get a good trade. So basically, I feel like this trend is going to continue. It's going to continue the bullish markets, the bullish trend. For example, because we've seen this doubling pattern, which was formed, which indicates a reversal, a clear reversal, unformed on the 4 hours. So we're saying that gold is literally going to buy. It's going to continue buying. Gold is going to continue buying this week. Gold is going to continue buying this week, but towards zone. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let me see if I can get a good entry for you guys to jump on the buys. So my student chatted me privately about the buys, and I told them to go ahead to buy this gold. So most of them caught this bullish move generally. But let's see if we can get a good sell or a good buy level for gold. A good buy, a good sell. So practically on gold, if we're talking about sales, I think I'll be looking more on this zone. This zone as a sell zone on gold. This zone as a sell zone on gold. I'm looking at this zone as a sell zone on gold. This is the only sell zone I have for gold. But if until gold gets to this place, sells, buys. Until gold gets to this place, buys. Then if gold breaks above this level, we should see if gold eventually breaks above this level. This place right here. So this is where I have a sell zone. So I believe gold is going to sell from here. So you should make probably like 100 or 200 pips from that level. Yeah, you should make like 100 or 200 pips. So I can't really give you a good stop loss, but your stop loss should probably be above this level. Yes, your stop loss should be above that place, which is probably like 80 pips. This is like an 80 pip stop loss. So you should be looking for 200 pips on this, minimum of 200 pips. You should probably catch like 200 pips on this if you want to profit from this trade. You should catch like 200 pips minimum, but you should sell more than that. But at least you should catch at least 200 pips. So if you're not in my Telegram, you better join my free Telegram channel, where I'm going to update you guys on this gold. So let's see if I can get a buy zone too. So since we're having a bullish structure here. the only possible thing I can do for a buy is to use a fib level. So I'm just going to put this here, recent low, No. But again, if I look at it, gold is already giving us kind of like a low here. Feel me? Gold is giving us like a low here. So I'm trying to find, because if we're on an uptrend, this is just a reversal point. You understand? This is like a reversal trade. So that's why I kept it. I didn't say you can hold it for long. I'm not trying to say you should swing it. So I just said look for a minimum of like 200 pips on this trade. You understand? And make your money. You don't need to hold it for long. 200 pips is okay for you. Then get out, because the actual trend is kind of like an uptrend. So here it's kind of like a reversal point. You understand? A point whereby okay, market is going to reverse and retrace. So you can catch like 200 pips off that retracement. But if you want to continue, I'm trying to look for a continuation, to continue this buy, a level to which you can continue the buy from. And probably the only place I'm seeing clearly is kind of like this point, this level right here, this level right here, just below, a little bit below the 618. You stand a little bit below the 618. So this is the only level I feel for. I have for good buys. The only level I have for good buys. Your stop loss will probably be just here also. Stop loss for this is around 70 pips. So it's wise to just catch like it's wise to catch like 200 pips too on this or more. You can catch probably more than that too. Because this is a bullish market, so definitely you should be looking for long term. You should be looking at it for long term. So this is the only zone I have, buy zone I have for gold currently. But let me check the lower time frame if I can see something on the 30 minutes. 30 minutes is the least time frame I can go on while analyzing. I don't like to go below 30 minutes. I don't like to analyze on the lower time frame. So practically, if I'm going to use this to analyze, this would have been the recent low, recent high. And gold has already done the move already. Like look at it, has tapped in to the fib area, wicked it and continue. So currently, I think gold should just keep pushing up. Yeah, currently gold should just keep pushing up. Yeah, gold should keep pushing up currently till it gets to this point. So I don't really see much. Gold should just keep buying. There's not really much of a buy zone. Gold should just keep buying, except you want to like try to jump in from around here or here. Say you want to jump in from this low. If you see it at that low, say you want to jump in from this low, continue. But like I said, gold is just going to continue buying. Yeah, till it gets to this sell zone is done. So if it doesn't come back to this buy zone, the stop loss should be here, like I said. If it doesn't come back to this buy zone, because this buy zone is under probability. If it doesn't come back to this buy zone, it's all just probabilities, If it doesn't come back to this buy zone, then you should just focus on this sell zone here. You understand? That's all I'm going to give you for gold. Then I'm just going to move straight to gbpusd. So we are going to be looking at 3 pairs today: gold, gbpusd, and USD/JPY. So now gbpusd is very, very interesting, quite interesting. So gbpusd is kind of like giving us a good sell market, but let's look at the higher time frame. Let's start with the higher time frame. So on the higher time frame, we can still see the bullish market is still in play. So right about now, I think we should be seeing a reversal, a continuation. A continuation of this uptrend. Because if you can see, we'll be having an uptrend. We'll be having a bullish structure on GBP. Look at low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now this low has not been taken out, so this uptrend is still very, very, very valid. You understand, on the higher time frame. And now again, if I look again, you would have seen you've seen a bullish engulfing candlestick has formed on the daily. A bullish engulfing candlestick has formed on the daily. So practically on the higher time frame, we're still on the bullish market. But on the lower time frame, let's see what's happening on the lower time frame. On our lower time frame, 4 hours. Like I said too, so exactly. If you look at the lower time frame, you see we already have a break of structure. A break of structure on this level. So we have a break of structure on that level already. So that tells us, okay, this market is actually going to become bullish. Yeah, this market wants to continue the uptrend. We have a break of structure. We have a sweep already. We have a sweep, then a break of structure. So it tells you that this uptrend is really going to happen. This uptrend is really going to happen. So now let's go to the 4. Let's go to the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening. So now, yeah, on the 1 hour, we are seeing a different thing entirely. The market is giving us like it wants to form an M pattern, a double top. You understand? Like it wants to form an M pattern, like it wants to sell. So in the case that market sells, in the case whereby this market eventually sells, I'm going to use my fib for this. I'm going to use my fib. I'm going to use fib from this low to this high. Fib is still very much valid here because we don't have a new high yet. Price has not given us a higher high yet, so this fib is still very much valid. So now we have our fib entry from here. So basically, I'm going to give you a buy zone here. I'm going to give you a buy zone there. It's your stop loss just here. You understand? I'm going to give you a buy zone here with your stop loss there. So we have a GU buy zone here. Then also GU is probably going to sell. If you want to sell GU, it's probably just scalping. GU is probably going to sell, probably, because all trading is all about probabilities. So if you are selling GU because of this M pattern, because this will be a reversal. If you are going to sell GU, you are going to probably be trading reversal. So if you are going to sell GU, you understand, sell till it gets to this zone. But I'm looking forward to the buys, so I won't really be calling out the sell to my students or to my Telegram channel. So if you want to take the sell, you can probably just take the sell and put your stop loss. Let's say 15 pips. 15 pips. Put your stop loss 15 pips. That's on GU. Then target is low. So this is like a 1 to 2, nothing much. Target is low. This will be your first take profits. You understand? So that why I'm calling the sell is based on this M pattern. Because so this kind of gives you like a little bit of reversal. The market wants to retrace, market wants to reverse for a bit. So now we have the buy zone here, which I'm banking on. So I feel market might probably reverse to this point then buy. So once market gets to this zone, I'll be calling a buy on my. But you can also, you can also watch out for the buys yourself. You understand? Pay attention to your charts, GU. Pay attention to your charts and look out for buys from this level. You understand? This is where I'm buying from. But I also call it for my students and also my Telegram channel. So use the link in my bio to join my Telegram channel. You understand? So that's pretty all for gbpusd and also for gold. I'm just going to keep it simple as usual. No much complication. I'm analyzing based on what I'm seeing on the charts. Nothing much. So, like I said, sells because of this double top, this M pattern that's kind of forming. So this is telling us that market wants to reverse a bit. So if market is going to reverse, probably be looking at the buy zone from here. You understand? Then we'll see a continuation. Because definitely this bullish market has started. I'm not going to lie to you. Market is probably going to buy this week on GU. Well, the long-term goal on GU is still buys. Our buys is still valid. So I've seen it on the daily. I've seen some confirmation on the daily and on the 4 hours. And yeah, daily 4 hours and even on the 1 hour. So now I'm just going to wait ahead for this buy level for this zone here to continue to buy. But meanwhile, GU is going to just try to sell till it gets here. So I'm not going to ignore this M pattern that is forming. You get. So that is that for GU. Then another pair you guys actually look at USD JPY. Yeah, USD JPY. USD JPY kind of like fucked with me during this week. Kind of fucked with me a bit this week. and our speed. So I'm definitely going to analyze and try to make money off this pair this week. So as usual, I'm going to clear my charts. Then, so USD JPY. Previously, we had a bullish market. Everybody can see we have a bullish market previously, but now price has broken the trend line. You understand? Telling us that this market is becoming bearish. You understand? On the daily time frame, price has broken the trend line and also give you like an M pattern here, which you see clearly. You see this pattern clearly on the 4 hours. You see it clearly on the 4 hours. So basically, I'm looking out for sales more on USD JPY than buys. Any buyer taking on USD JPY is kind of like retracement, retracement. So it should be more scalping than trying to hold it for a long period of time. So now I'm looking out for more sales on USD JPY. So USD JPY double top, giving you the double top formation. Number one, you understand? Number one thing I spotted on 4 hours. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. So let's see what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. Basically, it's just like it's trying to give you a sell trend. A low, lower high, lower low. You understand? Lower high. So the best thing for you to do in this case is just probably use your fib to catch the continuation. So now fib has given you a zone here, a sell continuation here. So let's go to the 30 minutes. Let's see how valid that sell is. Let's see how valid that sell is. So now if you are taking USD JPY sales from anywhere inside this level, you probably want to put your stop loss. If you're targeting this low, then you probably want to put your stop loss a little bit here, just above the high. That's like 37 pips. Or let's keep it at 35 pips. You understand? So you have a 35 pip stop loss and almost a 1 to 3. This is almost 1 to 3. So it's a good trade. You understand? So this is the only zone I'm looking out for to sell USD JPY from. You understand? The only zone I'm looking out to sell, and stop loss just a little bit above this high. You understand? So that's that for USD JPY. Till price breaks this level. So I see a break below, then okay, you can start looking out for more sell entries. You understand? So if price doesn't respect this zone, I don't advise you. If price doesn't come back to that level, you understand, I advise you to sell USD JPY. So just wait for it till it gets there. Then I'll probably give an update. I'll give an update on the Telegram channel concerning it too. Understand? So I'm keeping an eye on USD JPY, and I'm keeping an eye on gold, and I'm keeping an eye on gbpusd. You understand? So have a profitable week, guys. I hope to hear more from you guys. Yes, write down your reviews in the comment section. Tell me what you think about my trade so far. So far, I've been killing it weekly, week by week, having a few stops. You understand? We're hitting like stop loss 10 pips, 5 pips most times. But last week, based on the trades on my YouTube, we did not hit stop loss. Understand? We did not hit stop loss from the trades on my YouTube, both on gold and on gbpusd. So stay tuned for more analysis like this. Like, share, subscribe. Use the link in the bio to join my Telegram community. It's really a great community. I have a lot going on there. Understand? Free trades, free signals, and also I try to interact with the community there on a daily basis. Understand? So I'll see you guys same time next week. Stay tuned.